Hi, I'm Sharon. I am here to do my 7th experiment on web technology lab. So this is my 7th experiment. Here we are using like super global variables to create a multi-page shopping cart. So this is the code which we are using, like using the post get method and we are using here. And this is the output which we wanted, like giving former shipment, screenshot and all, and giving the address, shipping confirmation, etc. So first of all, I will go to my code. So first of all, I will show the output. Like first of all, we are giving like casual shoes or formal shoes. We can select any of this one, and we'll go to next. And we should give like first name as Sharon, then last name as Saju, address whatever you want, city also like whatever, zip code, giving us numbers, phone number, email, etc. And we are giving next. And this is the order summary which we have displayed, and confirm order means and thank you for shopping. So this is the main output. First of all, I will go to my code. This is the code. First of all, as we said, for starting the PHP, we will use angular brackets and question mark PHP. Then we'll start the session. First of all, here also we are using the style sheet because we are referring to style.css where we are having all the attributes. And first formatting will page to that. This thing I will say in later. First of all, give opening div tag, and we're creating a class called page, and head, and we're giving like a heading as shoes, and input as checkbox, and like casual shoes, and input type is checkbox. This means like checklist for example, for selecting less casual shoes or formal shoes. Then we'll giving class production, then ID, then type radio means like giving the value like variable 500, etc. and style as giving what under the shoes what name should give, etc. and the money tag, etc. and this is the quantity, etc. like value 1 options, value 2, value 3, like quantity as many quantities should be there, like 1, 2, 3. So this is like optional, and also the size is also like optional, like A, B, C, color, red, green. This is all are optional things. And first and after that we'll give input type equal to submit, and name equal to submit, and value equal to next. This means that when we click the submit button, it will go to the page 2, and this is the as I said earlier, this is the page 2 tag, like form action equal to page 2.php, and method equal to post, where this is we are inputting all the values, and this will be posted here. So here it will be posted. First of all, we are starting the session. As I said, this is mandatory for every PHP files. Starting the session. First of all, this we are all retrieving the values like session radio, quantity, size, color, etc. And this is the shipment details which we are giving. First of all, and also we are using style sheet href equal to style.css because we are referring to the CSS files, and heading as shipment details, and format equal to page 3, that will say later, and text name, f name, last name, address. This all are the order like details, shipment details. This all are storing the values, like for example address we are giving, and the name will be ADDR and will be stored here, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, etc. and here also shipping, like if we are giving, as I shown in the output, we have given to condition like express and standard. So we are, for that input type we will use radio because one of them is mandatory, so we have used radio button. And when we submit this value, it will go to the next page, and the next page is like this is the next page. This is the next page, like page 3.php. That means that we'll go to the next page, and method equal to post. So this is the third page. First of all, we are posting the values like address, city, state, etc. and this is printing, like printing the quantity, session, etc. and express, shipping, standard shipping. Echo means that we are printing all the things. like total shipment details and order confirmation. This is all about order confirmation. Like if the session rate equal to 200 means it will go to express shipping, and the same thing is also happening here. Here item, quantity, amount, etc. show the same thing, like we are displaying the names, and here type equal to submit, name equal to submit, and value equal to confirm order. That if we press the confirm submit button, it will go to the fourth page. Like here also we are using like form action page 4.php. Then if we submit, it will go to fourth page. And here also again we are using the style sheets because we have used many attributes, because this all these names are like this, all are the attributes, like our item, quantity, next this all are attributes. Here this is all about giving condition, like this condition or this condition. This is like condition, and if we submit, it will go to the page 4, and this is the page 4. Like we are printing like thank you for shopping. This is we are printing, and as I shown, then this will be the output. Like this will be the output. Like we'll give first of all giving cashier to the formal shop, next then state or whatever we want, and then address, then names which we wanted, giving like standard or shipping. We will go to next, and this the values will be retrieved here, and we are confirming the values are retrieved here, and when we confirm order means we'll print thank you for shopping. So this is my 7th experiment in web technology. Thank you.